Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix some update errors on Linux. If you, for one reason or the other, are still actively using CentOS 8, you might probably have encountered the following error when trying to update your system or simply install a package. To fix this error, run the following commands. Now you should be able to update CentOS or install packages without any error. When installing packages on Almalinux, if you run into a GPG check failed problem, it means that the available GPG keys were unable to verify the signature of the package. A corrupt repository, an out-of-date or missing GPG key, or network problems could all be the cause of this. To fix this error, update the GPG keys that we use to verify packages. Importing the most recent GPG keys from the repository will enable us to perform this. So, we can run the following command. Now you should be able to update Almalinux or install packages without any error. We keep on getting the following error when we try to install or upgrade on Debian 12 and almost everything. And, you can fix this error by running the following command. Now you should be able to update or upgrade on Debian 12 or install packages without any error.